My name is Terencio Kenneth Bimodis
And I am Daryl Tashlagify
from
BSIC 101.
Data Management. Data management is its system efficiently manage and organize large amount of data, enabling better decision making, strategic planning, and the identification of trends and pattern, and drive business growth and innovation. And second topic is increased accessibility. Information technology provides information and resources through the internet and online platforms, promoting continuous learning, empowering individuals with valuable skills and fostering innovation and creativity.
Otherwise, improved efficiency. Information technology automates routine tasks, saving time and effort and allowing individuals and organizations to focus on more strategic activities, leading to increased productivity and effectiveness. Second is enhanced communication, IT. Facilitates seamless communication through various channels promoting collaboration, teamwork, and knowledge sharing resulting in better decision making and problem solving.